Hello and assalamu alaikum everybody. Okay, right off the bat we're gonna start this video off with something I shouldn't have been doing.
बंद कर देना जैसे ही वो बोले ना आईडी कार्ड ले लेता है कसम खुदा के वहाँ पर मेरे साथ सीन हुआ था एंड
अभी देखा
1000 रुपए पे करो कहते 1000 हाँ
So the reason I came to university today was that मेरी attendance का issue आ रहा था and to be honest I thought इसका issue नहीं होगा क्योंकि last semester my attendance was low and it didn't really matter and I could still give my papers. लेकिन इस बार apparently that was an issue. So if you do get into Bahariya, make sure you pay attention to that because sometimes it is an issue and sometimes it's not. It's very annoying. At this point हमें 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा हो गए थे यहाँ पे आए हुए and we were still waiting for our turn and finally I just decided कि you know what I'm just gonna get something to eat and then I'm gonna go because my mom called me and we needed to go somewhere. 5 मिनट after I left I realized कि सारे के सारे बच्चों की applications एक साथ ही ले ली और सबको भेज दिया घर और मेरी वाली application मेरे पास ही रह गई. Before anything I'm just gonna make coffee because duh. We got a pretty cute cup and milk. So instead of measuring या putting a spoonful, मैं ऐसे बेवकूफ़ों की तरह just dump in coffee. Or because of this, sometimes there's too much coffee and sometimes there is too little. Also trust me, for exams in Bahariya you will need to have a lot of coffee क्योंकि हमें एग्ज़ाम्स के अंदर ब्रेक्स नहीं मिलते. हर एक दिन बाद हर दूसरे दिन हमारा एग्ज़ाम हो जाता है और बहुत रेयरली कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमें एग्ज़ाम के बीच में 1 या 2 दिन का गैप मिले. Okay, so these were all the presentations that I was supposed to go through for my exams and I actually went ahead and I mailed them to myself ताकि I can just have them all together. And this is like my cute little corner where I just have everything I'm gonna need. I mean, it looks like I'm about to cry even though I'm really not. And I am only on the 5th slide here, people. Our car actually wasn't working at the moment, so I had to go on an Uber and I was very, very late. Throughout the car ride, मैं अपना सर पकड़ के बैठी थी because I was continuously realizing how late I was. I am so scared. We're here though. So I finally got there, I gave my paper and now I am on my way back to home. Chala gaya. Camera shy hai mera kutta. So imagine getting back home and someone is genuinely happy to see you. Now that is exactly what it's like to have a dog. I love you. He studies with me as well, but he got super bored, so he went to sleep. An option I really wish I had. So this is after the exam, and even though I know no one's really going to listen to this advice, please do not ask or discuss the answers after you have done the paper because the other person could be wrong, the other person could be stressed and you could just be adding more to their stress, and overall the thing is आप उसके बारे में आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते even if you wrote a wrong answer. Another very 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 important thing is that प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप अपनी सारी असाइनमेंट्स और क्विज़ेस कर रहे हो बिकॉज चांसेस आर कि अगर आपके फाइनल पेपर के अंदर सिर्फ 10 मार्क्स भी आए हैं लेकिन आपके बाकी असाइनमेंट्स और मिड टर्म्स और क्विज़ेस में मार्क्स पूरे हैं देन यू विल पास. This was either a gap day or I had a very easy paper the next day and so we went shopping and of course I got donuts. And to be very honest, it's actually very good कि आप अपने आप को बिल्कुल ही cram करने के बजाय you actually take a break when you need it. Here I was just back and I'm making myself more coffee because you know I had a paper and I had to stay up since I went out. So this is the next day after my paper and we found this cute little cat that we ended up playing with. Okay, so now for some more tips while I play with this Billy. So one thing that is very 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 important is that आप अपने आप को ओवर एग्जॉस्ट ना करें, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपको अगले दिन जाके पेपर देना है, एंड इवन इफ़ यू लर्न लाइक लिटरली एवरी थिंग और आप अगले दिन जाके आपसे कुछ लिखा ही ना जाए, सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. मेक श्योर कि आप सो जाओ, लाइक यू गेट इनफ स्लीप दैट यू कैन बी एनर्जाइज्ड इनफ टू लाइक गिव द पेपर. You wanna come in? Oh, she's going in. Also, I have shared information throughout the video sort of randomly, so please make sure you do not miss out on any of it. And I also discussed the whole interview process in the video, so stay tuned for that as well. So after I was done with the paper, my mom picked me up and we went to the grocery store and got a bunch of other things. So the thing with me is exams ke darmiyan Gatorade and cold coffee and just like any kind of coffee is literally what I am living on. Because unlike some very very great people, I'm not one of those people who just like study before they actually have to study. मैं एग्ज़ाम के सर पे आने का वेट करती हूँ, then I can actually study. आप भी आ जाओ. ये वाला पार्ट में डालूंगी नहीं बच्ची, मुझे भेज. This is an advice that I should probably take myself a lot, लेकिन anyways, so जब आपके papers हो रहे हैं, please do avoid going out a lot, क्योंकि at the end of the day this does take a lot of time और आपके पास पढ़ाई के लिए time नहीं होगा, and चाहे आप जितना भी कोई चीज़ cram करो, you will end up missing out on a lot of things. I'm still sitting here and my mom literally came and she left and she didn't even freaking notice that I was still sitting. So this is the next day and इस दिन मुझे पढ़ना था, लेकिन to be very honest I really wanted to go out as well. So what I did was I convinced my mom कि मुझे सुबह में बाहर ले जाएं so we can get donuts and everything, and then I'll be back home by शाम and then I will study, and that's exactly what we did. As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.
Yeah? So you guys probably don't know, and it's not really important information anyways, but I really love Happy Donuts. It's like my favorite donut place, and it's literally the only place I'm ever gonna go to anymore. Okay, so we just got donuts, and like after I've tried their donuts, Dunkin' Donuts is just like, now I got donuts.
ये चीज केक है ना?
दोनों चीज केक हैं.
तो वो डिफरेंट क्यों ना था? हैप्पी वालों का तो उनकी ब्रांच यहाँ पे थी हमारे यहाँ करीब में, यहाँ से चीजें लेकर आते हैं. अरे भाई बीबी जाओ ना, क्या हो?
So if you open the video to see how you're going to pass your interview, keep on watching because I explain that in detail later on in the video. Because I was sitting with like a completely different class, and I actually thought that no one else was done but me, so I just kept sitting, and then it turns out that was like a completely different class, it was not my class, and everyone in my class had already left. So this is that same day at night, और इस point तक मैंने पढ़ लिया था काफ़ी ज़्यादा, and then we went out to just get some ice cream, and this is how it looked. It actually looked like really good, but to be very honest it was very bad and I won't get it again. And then we're back again to studying. Okay, so another really important thing is अगर आपको कोई ऐसा subject है जो आपको नहीं आता, and you like even if you have a break in that subject, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप एग्ज़ाम शुरू होने से पहले उस सब्जेक्ट को थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लो, बिकॉज़ आफ्टर एग्ज़ाम्स बिगिन, 1-2 एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद यू जस्ट गेट वेरी फेड अप एंड यू डू नॉट वांट टू स्टडी. So here our paper is done and we're just out, and we went to the canteen to just grab something to eat, and we actually have a new canteen that opened up, so that's pretty cool. Let's see. At this point we have all noticed कि मैं almost हर पेपर ख़त्म होने के बाद कहीं ना कहीं घूमने जा रही हूँ. Whenever I have a break तभी मैं घूमने जा रही हूँ. So here again I was just out in a shopping mall and now I'm gonna be heading home.
भाई क्या मसला है आगे?
So this is later that night. I was at Agha's, and of course whenever I go to Agha's, वहाँ के Maggi section में I'm just like, I just go crazy because there's like so much variety here and I absolutely love Maggi's. I just got this one though to test if it's like actually good and if it's actually the right one.
वो तो सेक्शन सी के फैसल थे.
So now we're gonna move on to the very last part of the video, which is gonna be how you're gonna pass your Bahriya ka interview. I added this part to the video because a lot of people have been asking me how we're supposed to pass the interview, and since I didn't really have enough time to make a separate video on it since the interviews are so close, I'm just gonna go ahead and explain it right now. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure that you feel confident when you are there. So to feel confident you have to make sure कि आप appropriately dress कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कोई fancy clothes पहन के चले जाएं, and it does not mean कि आप बिल्कुल ही अपने आप को छोड़ दें, भाई जो पजामा घर में पहना है वो पहन के चले जाएं. Just make sure you wear something proper and cleaned up, and also make sure that your clothes are ironed properly. Now the next thing we're gonna move on to is that make sure कि आप बहुत confident तरीके से उनकी सारी बातों का जवाब दें. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको उनकी कोई बात समझ नहीं आ रही, ask them to repeat their question, take a minute to think of your answer, लेकिन make sure कि जब आप बोलें तो आप confident तरीके से बोलें. So another question I've gotten a lot is क्या हमें English में बात करनी पड़ेगी या can we just speak in Urdu? So the answer to that is अगर आपको English आती है, if you think you are fluent in it, then go ahead and talk in English because it is going to give a good impression. But the thing is, agar you feel like you're not going to be able to answer properly in English, then by all means do not force yourself. You can absolutely talk in Urdu, लेकिन ये है कि उसमें भी अगर आपको थोड़े बहुत English के words आ रहे हैं, थोड़ी बहुत English की बातें बीच में बोलना आ रही हैं, then go ahead and say those. And the last question I get a lot is, what are they going to ask? So the basic questions they're going to ask you is just going to be ke, why did you choose Bahriya University? Why do you want to study psychology? And what do you want to do in the future? So to sum it all up, first you have to make sure कि your clothes are proper. Secondly, you have to make sure कि जब आप बात करें तो आप confidence से बात करें. Thirdly, make sure कि आपकी body language बिल्कुल ठीक हो and you're not hunching or anything. Lastly, do your research before you go and try to answer the questions honestly. Do not try to make up something that you think the other person will want to hear. Say what you have to actually say. So this was the whole video, and I will see you guys in my next one.